Ninth class physics subject, new syllabus. Question number 2.4. A tennis ball is hit vertically upward with a velocity of 30 meters per second. It takes 3 seconds to reach the highest point. Calculate the maximum height reached by the ball. How long it will take to return to the ground. That means there are two questions inside this statement. Tennis ball is hit vertically. Its initial velocity is 30 meters per second. Its final velocity is 0 meters per second. Initial velocity of the ball is VI, that is equal to 30 meters per second. At the highest point, its final velocity, that is VF, is equal to 0 meters per second. Time taken to reach at this point that is T is equal to 3 seconds. Now value of G, that is gravitational acceleration, gravitational acceleration, that is G, which is 10 meters per second. A body moves upward, then its value will be negative. A body moves downward, its value will be positive. Hence, in this case, this value is negative, that is negative 10 meters per second. Now, we will calculate maximum height H or S, and time that is required to return at the ground, which is equal to T at this stage and T for downward state, T for upward state, T for downward state. So we will calculate as 2AS is equal to VS square minus VS square. Putting the value of variable in this equation, 2 value of A is equal to minus 10. Value of distance traveled as we have to calculate. VF 0 meters per second. Now VI is equal to 30 meters per second. 30 meters per second. So it is equal to minus 20s. It is equal to 0. Square of 0 is equal to 0. And square of 30, that is 30 square is equal to 30 times 30, which is equal to 900. So minus 20s is equal to minus 900. We will divide both sides of the equation by 20. Minus 20, that is equal to, S is equal to 900 divided by 20 is equal to 45. Unit of distance is meter, so distance traveled is equal to 45 meter. Now, last part of this question, time required to return at ground. We know 3 seconds are required for upward movement at the highest point, and 3 seconds will be required for downward movement. So total time is equal to 3 seconds plus 3 seconds, that is equal to 6 seconds.